Good morning, students. Today we will derive the Miller's character formula for solving the initial value problem. In the previous lecture, we have derived the Miller's predictor formula, which is given by y4 equal to y0 plus 4x by 3 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. This formula, this is known as Miller's predictor formula. This formula predicts the value of y4 when the values of y0, y1, y2 and y3 are known in advance at the values of t0, t1, t2 and t3. This predicted value of y4 can be corrected by the Miller's character formula. So to derive the character formula, first of all we take an initial value problem. Suppose let us consider the following initial value problem: dy by dt equal to f t comma y with an initial condition y of t0 equal to 0. Integrating equation first over the interval t0 to t0 plus 2h. Now we have this equals to, this can be written as, this is dy by dt, integral of, this is f t y. Therefore integral of dy, this is f t comma y dt, over the integral t0 to t0 plus 2h. We know that when t equal to t0, the limit of y is y0. At the point t0 plus 2h, the limit of y is y2. After integrating, we have, this is y within the limit y0 to y2 equals to, this is t0 to t0 plus 2h. Now we are applying the Newton's forward differences formula. This equals to, this is t0 to t0 plus 2h. This can be written as, this is u plus, this can be written as, suppose we are taking, this is t0 to t0 plus 2h, this can be written as, this equals to f of t comma y, this can be written as, this is f of 0, this is f plus f0 plus this is u del of f of 0 this can be written as, this is u plus del of, it is f0 plus u into del of f0 plus u into u minus 1 upon factorial 2, this is del to f of 0 plus and so on. Neglecting the higher order differences, here we take put in u equals to, this is t minus t0 by h. This can be written as t equal to t0 plus hu. So therefore this is dt equal to h du. This is y2 minus y0 equals to, when you are putting t equal to t0, then the limit of u is 0. When putting t equal to t0 plus 2h, this is 2. This is f of 0 plus u into del of f of 0 plus u square minus u upon 2. This is del 2 f of 0, and this is h du. H du. Neglecting the higher order differences, this equals to, this is y2 minus y0 equals to, is equal to h integrated, this is u into f of 0 plus this is u square by 2, and this is del of f of 0 plus this is 1 by 2, this is u cube by 3 minus u square by 2, this is del 2 f of 0 within the limit 0 to 2. Here we have neglected the higher order differences, third and higher order differences. Now we have this equals to y2 minus y0 equals to, this is h, this is 2 f of 0 plus this is, we are putting 2 equal to, this is 4 upon 2, this is 2 del of f of 0 plus this is 1 by 2, this is 8 upon 3 minus 4 upon 2, which is 2 into del 2 f of 0. Lower limit is 0. This equals to y2 minus y0 equals to h. This is 2 of f of 0. Applying the, it is a forward differences at t equal to t0. So therefore this can be written as, this is f1 minus f of 0 plus this value 8 by 3 minus 2 is 2 by 3. So this is 1 by 3. This is f2 minus 2f1 plus f of 0. This is y2 minus y0 equals to 2f0 is cancel out. This is h. This is 2f1 plus f2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 of f1 plus f0 by 3. This equals to y2 equals to, this is y0 plus h, 2f1 minus 2 by 3 f1, which is 1 by 3 f1 plus f0 by 3 plus f2 by 3. This can be written as h by 3. If you are taking, it is h by 3 this is 2f1 plus f2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. This is 2f1 minus this is 6. It is 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3. So therefore we can write this is y2 equals to y0 plus this is h by 3 f of 0 plus 4 of f1 plus f2. This can be written as this is y2 equals to y0 plus h by 3. Here f0 can be written as y0 dash plus this is 4 y1 dash plus this is y2 dash, which is known as the Milnez character formula. This formula corrects the value of y4 which predicted by this formula. But now our question is ki how to apply the character formula. Yeah, we can say how to correct the value of y4. So the value of y4 is corrected by this formula as y0 is replaced by y2 or y1 is replaced by y3 and y2 is replaced by y4. Then we get the corrected value of y4. So therefore we can say the corrected value of y4 is given by the corrected value of y4. y4 is the corrected value is given by this is y2 plus h by 3, this is y2 dash plus this is 4 y3 dash, this is y4 dash. This is the corrected value of y4. This is the corrected value of y4. We are putting y0 is y2. y2 is calculated plus h by 3, y0 dash is replaced by y2 dash plus it is replaced by y3 dash or plus y4 dash. This is the corrected value of y4. In general, the pair of corrected and predicted formula is given by, in general, the Milnez predictor and corrector formula is given by. The predictor formula is this is y j plus 1 equals to y j minus 3 plus 4h by 3. This is 2y j minus 2 dash minus y j minus 1 dash plus 2y j dash. Or the corrected formula is this is y j plus 1 equals to this is y j minus 1 plus h by 3. This is y j minus 1 dash plus 4 y j dash plus y j plus 1 dash. It is a pair of predictor and corrector formula. This is 4h by 3, 2yj minus this is yj minus 1 plus 2yj. This is the corrector formula. So hence we can say the Milnez method is a multi-step method. To apply this method, we require 4 values of y at the different points of t0, t1, t2 and T3. Thank you. Have a nice day.